Looking for a free way to decorate your home year-round? How about a homemade wreath? Let me show you how. Why should wreaths be relegated just to Christmas? I think they make a great adornment any time of year, and they're super easy to make. Today I'm making a wreath out of vines that I got from nature, plus some decorations that I got around the house and in my backyard. To start, all you need is about a 10-foot length, or a smaller one if you want to make a smaller wreath. And you can soak them in a tub if you want to make them really malleable, and some of them are extra stiff. So I'm going to start by taking my length here and wind it around each other to create that initial frame. Now, if it doesn't look perfect in the beginning, don't worry about it, because you can fill in some of the spots along the way. Tug those ends and it'll make it smaller as you tug. It'll tighten it as well. Then from there, we're gonna start filling in with some other vines. Now I'm using grapevine, but you could also use wisteria and honeysuckle. Those tend to be a little smaller and a little more delicate. Now I'm taking some smaller bits here. I'm gonna take this thinner piece because it'll be more flexible. Now I'm gonna start filling this in. Just keep winding around your frame until it's thick enough and sturdy enough and a really uniform shape. Then we're gonna decorate it. Once you've got the frame of your wreath made, it's time to go take a walk in nature. There's all kinds of decorations you can find in nature. What's available will vary depending on the season, which is great because you can change out the materials and colors using the same base. These are the things that I've gathered. Super simple, from the backyard, from the neighborhood. I've got some nandina here, and you want to cut off small amounts that you can just tuck right into these vines here. Some people use wire, but it's not really necessary. And when you don't use it, it makes it a lot easier to change out your wreath with the seasons or when some of these fresher items have dried out and need to be refreshed. Now just really fill it out with whatever you want. And if your frame is a little bit uneven looking, don't worry, because you can really fill it in and make it look proportional with your decorations. You could do everything from holly to pine cones. Bonus points if you can find feathers outside. I've collected these feathers from pheasant hunting over the years, but there's all kinds of beautiful feathers that fall to the ground in nature that you can make the most of. So keep filling this up, and then you can give it as a gift, which is a really fun, wonderful thing to do. I know that my mom loved it when I gave her one. Or you can just hang it on your door for any kind of holiday or just to be festive. Looking for more modern pioneering projects like this? Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.